The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 64GB memory kit offers impressive speeds up to 6,800 megatransfers per second, making it ideal for high-performance computing tasks. Featuring customizable RGB lighting that is perfectly synchronized using infrared sync technology, this memory kit allows users to personalize their setups with vibrant colors. The sleek design of the heat spreaders not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also improves thermal performance, ensuring stability even during intense usage. Engineered with support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, the memory kit provides flexibility and compatibility with a wide range of systems. The Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 is optimized for overclocking, offering improved stability and performance for users looking to push their systems to the limit. With a renowned manufacturer like Kingston Technology Company, Inc., this memory kit assures quality and reliability for both gaming and professional applications.